Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial and rational functions. Let's solve it together. A polynomial function p of x is given by p of x equals x times x plus 1 times x minus 3. What are all intervals on which p of x is greater than or equal to 0? So, to solve this question, we will need to find the roots of the given function. To find the roots of the function, we're going to make the factors equal 0. So if x is equal 0, we know that x is 0. If x plus 1 is equal 0, in that case, x will be equals to negative 1. If x minus 3 equals 0, in that case, the value of x will become 3. So we have 3 roots here. Starting in order, negative 1 comes first and 0. And we have also positive 3. These roots, they divided into this intervals into 4 different regions. And we will try to determine within these regions where this polynomial is positive. So to do that, we're going to use some test points. Before negative 1, we have negative 2, so we can check for p of negative 2, which means that we're going to substitute negative 2 for x. So negative 2 times negative 2 plus 1, negative 2 minus 3. This is equals to negative 2 times negative 1, negative 5. And when you multiply all these 3 together, you get negative 10. So in this region, the value of function is negative. And between negative 1 and 0, we can test negative 0.5. So negative 0.5 times 0.5 plus 1 times negative 0.5 minus 3. This gives you negative 0.5, and this is positive 0.5, and this is negative 3.5. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Do I need to calculate what the value is? No, you don't need to, because you can just go ahead and say the area is positive. But if you really need to calculate what this value will be equals to, you can just multiply 0.5 by 0.5 times 3.5. That's going to give you 0.875. In the next step, in this region between 0 to 3, I'm going to use 1 for it, positive 1. And let's substitute 1 for now for x. This becomes 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 3. And 1 times 2 times negative 2. As you can see, this equals to negative 4. So this area, our polynomial, is negative. What about after 3? Let's use 4 as a test point. 4 times 4 plus 1. 4 minus 3. This gives you 4 times 5 times 1, which is positive 20. So it is positive here. In these two regions, the value of the polynomial is positive. So how can we determine these areas? This is the polynomial will be greater than or equal to. Since they said that greater than or equal to, we're going to include roots as well. So negative 1 will be included, 0 will be included, union, and 3 will be included, and positive infinity. So this is our final answer for this specific question. When you look at the choices, we have this choice in the choice B. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.